Brought you here today?
I have a lot of patients in clinic and a few friends with really bad shoulders, and I've seen a lot of people with shoulder things not responsive to care.
This guy dislocated partially dislocated my right shoulder, playing touch, about 12 years ago.
Yep.
Didn't do any rehab, got back in the gym, dealt with the pain, pushed through it.
And see what I need to do as a trainer to help him get stronger and, help with any of those issues that he has.
Pretty much fourth year chiro student, so we're dealing with a lot of patients, training my own, play basketball at a high level as well. Shoulder injury has been a recurrent thing for myself, so I had an AC sprain, just kept going on, shoulder tingling, and then just thought.
What was your biggest takeaway from today?
100%, I think that whole idea of having, if someone's already in pain, they're already injured, and they're going along, you can't just say, oh, do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. You need to have a sufficient stimulus coming in that can change that. It's like that whole inertia idea of it. Like, they need to come in, have something big done, so they can have, you need to do these exercises because of this, and this, and have it as a big part of it, so they can correct themselves, kind of thing. Like, I can do all the little stuff in the world, just about bang. You're good for the next 20 minutes, have a good day.
Yeah.
But if I can give them something like, hey, you go home and do this each day, like, man, you're gonna walk away with this.
The whole activation part, I got present to which muscles I'm actually not activating in certain movements. So when we did that demo up front where you asked me to twist around and then sort of bring my shoulder down, I actually felt
Just
that.
realising that not one exercise is suitable for everyone, and learning that some things need to be broken down.
Addressing one injury through the whole body system, so I mean, it can be from shoulder to hip problems, rib.
Why do you think something like this would be valuable for other people that are similar to yourself?
Because there's quite a few people who are dealing with similar issues to myself.
Yeah.
You go through the whole thing, so I mean, addressing from the theory of proprioception in the body, making your body more aware of your injury and how to be accustomed to different other injuries that could occur, and then you move on from like a basic level from someone that has no experience of the human body or training, and then you develop onto that and progress through harder exercises to like an athlete level or someone, like I said, it's just general gym goer.
Yeah.
Or to learn how you can help your clients who are going through issues that you're not aware of.
I think it's such a good way of, you get a lot of complex ideas and stuff as we're going through this, and you brought it down to a level that was super easy to understand, and then as you go through you still ramped it up.